In this tutorial, we are going to show you how to create a workflow in a native platform, which is going to scrap the leads from Google Maps API using. So if you log into the n8n platform, if you are new, you can see this kind of dashboard. In here, to create a new workflow, you have to create this start from scratch from yourself. So now you can see my screen, like in this dashboard kind of this. You can create various workflows using a lot of features in this n8n platform view. Notes and etc. Lot of automation we can create in the n8. And in future, we are going to show you some more useful automation which is going to help you and save your time. So now you can see, this is the workflow that in there. There is various node. In here, the first one is how to execute the workflow. There are multiples with, one is you can execute manually. This is the manual execute one. And another one is you can set a time manner, like schedule it, like when need to display, what is the time frame, everything. Another thing is triggering, and a lot of ways. You can check it in when you go deep into the n8n platform. You can check those kind of thing and change it as you need. And other part is the second node is a Google Access seat. Here, in this seat, I will show this seat as well as. In this seat, it is going to get the locations of that, what are the location we need, how to get the leads. And after that, next one is filtering part. That filtering part is check whether it is empty or not to check, to stop scraping the leads, the previously scrap, from the place of previous scrap. So after that, it will go into loop over each and every item. So it's a best size one. So one item, one place at a time. So it's going to loop over in every item. Then it's going to scrap that deep apps API. So in this, you have to set up your own Places API using the Google Places, Google APIs. And from there, and another thing is, we have to notice in the Google Maps API only allow to SCO 20 leads per time. So there is a limit, only 20. After that, if place is available, it will be there. This is also like a filter, is check if the places is empty or not empty. So if it's not empty, it goes to the next step. So after that is split out to various I will show when I start the workflow. I will show in each and everything. So then it's going to append it to another seat, like the results. What is the customer name and everything? Now I am going to show you the seat also. This is the first seat, where the location, everything. Like, I set up that, like the Sydney. We have to get the real estate agency details, kind of real estate agency business, and maximum resources is 20. We can exceed it to up to 60, but for that, we have to do multiples. Lot of setups and configuration in that. But in this, we didn't do that much of advance, but this is far enough. You can scrap 20, 20, 24, lot of thing. So the status will be updated after it updated, scrapped that leads from the map API, like whether it is completed or not. The second seat is the results seat. In here, what is the place ID, name, the business name, address, the phone number, website, rating, and the map URL, the types, what are the business name provide, what are the features they provide, like those sort of things. So let's move on to the n8 platform again. Now see how to set up then each and every node. This is not just an executing the workflow. If you click here, the workflow will be executed. So first of all, we have to set up that Excel sheet. In here you can see, not Excel sheet, this is a Google Sheet one. We have to set up the credential first. So if you click the Create New Credentials, you come to the next window like, kind of this. In here you can, or redirect your client ID, client secret, etc. To set up this, you have to go to even you can check the open docs. In there they will direct in each and every step. So for now, I will give you a shorter P path. You have to go to the Google Cloud Console. In here, if you go to the Create Credentials part, you will see a dashboard kind of things. After this, you have to click the Create Credentials part. In here, you have to click that, or Client ID. Application type, web application. With and redirect URI, you can check in here. This is the URI. We have to click to copy 10. After that, we have to place it in here. Create. It will create. Now you have to copy this client ID and paste it in here. After that, you have to copy the client secret and place it in here. Now, if you save, after that, you have to sign in with Google. Now the connection is successful. You can see connection is successful. And here also, I can't disconnect it. So now that is right. Now you can see operation get rows. We have to get the rows, so get rows from list. So list, what are the seats we have? I am going to select this. And this in here, locations. So there is no filter needed, so just keep it at as it is. Just click in out of this. It will be saved. And after that, filter queries.jsn.status is empty. So if you just run in here, you can see this node will run. After that, when you click it here, you can see here, like jsn.status, the status for this came here. So it is exactly as I set up it, so you don't have to bother it if you set up sheets and everything, as I mentioned in the video and the description itself. So after that, if you execute this step, it will be run successfully. Then it will be loop again. So after that. So the Google Map API also looped, so when you click next and each and every, I will give you in step by step. So now I have to set up this sheet. So if I go here, I already made the connection, so just in here, share with document. So append and update row. So I have to append and update row so you don't have to change those things. From list, try this. In here, I have to select the result sheet. Map each column here in places ID, and everything is set up as it is, so you just have to leave it as, because if you just copy our JSN file and paste it as, everything will be set up as it is. Oh, everything is set up. Yeah. If I execute the workflow, I hope it will be worked. Found out some errors in this, so I will check it again. What is error? The column names were updated after node setup. Refresh the columns list in the columns to match one parameter uploaded. So places ID, place name, map, URL, name. So I have to refresh it. So I will refresh it again. Now, I refresh the sheet. Now everything's set up, so if I executed the workflow, I will check. So, another mistake, I just made sure one part is missed. So, if I execute the workflow right now, yeah, this worked exactly fine. So, let's go to that sheet again. If we go to the sheet, you can see, check this, places ID, name of the businesses, significant role, items and everything. What is the array name of each and every business? Significant popularity rating, address, phone number, address, email, real estate. So, address of there, mobile number, website, Google rating, map URL, types. So, types mean you can check here, what is the real estate agent's point of interest? Their kind of services is stated in here. So even you can make it advance as you like. If you want to fetch more details, you can alternate those things in here, map API and this kind of. I think this is going to be very useful for you guys, so hope you guys going to get a good use of it. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more tips on business and AI, and drop a comment